everyone, Austin.Fennern here at Guaranty RV, and today we're going to take a look at one of our brand new 2019 Jayco J-Flight 154 BH. It's a super small trailer, lightweight. You can pull it with almost any vehicle with a small towing capacity right around 4,000 pounds. It does have bunk beds in this small size, which is really nice. We'll just do a walk around the outside here. Everything is all centralized, easy to get to. Your water connection, your water fill, your hot water is all there. The nice thing is it has the shore cord built into the trailer, so you don't have to wrap that back up. You can just put it back in its storage spot, and it's ready to go. As you work your way back, you got your sewer hose. It's nice and easy to get to. The valves are just right here, so it's easy to dump. You don't got to crawl underneath it. As you work your way back, you do have a spare tire. It's right here on the back, easy access. So that's another nice thing. It does have 4 corner stabilizer jacks. You can see one of them right there, nice and easy to reach. Crank those down, it'll give you some good stability as you're inside. For a small trailer, it still has an electric awning on it, covers the whole size, so you have nice shaded area when you're camping. And then in the back, right underneath the bunk, you have a large storage area. So as you walk in, still got pretty good floor space for a smaller trailer. We have the front folded down. This is where the main bed would be located. So you could sleep 2 adults there. You still have all your overhead storage. That's nice and big. You can reach all the way in there. It goes all the way to the front of the trailer. Nice big window, lets in lots of light. It does have a air conditioner unit. As you work your way back, this is the cool feature. It does have the bunk beds here. Grab handle so you could get up in there, so you got plenty of room to bring the whole family. Little fridge here, furnace to stay warm, 2-burner cooktop to cook all your meals. Nice large hallway pantry, and that goes all the way back to the wall too. As you come back here, good sized bathroom. Fit in here pretty easy. Nice skylight, lets in lots of light back here. Big tub, so you definitely have a lot of room while you're camping. The wood plank floor look adds a little more feature, makes it a little lighter in here. So they just add a lot of little neat things to make a nice trailer. You have the recessed sink. So it keeps all the water in there. So my name is Austin.Fennern, once again at Guaranty RV. If you do have any questions about this Jayco, you can reach me on my cell phone, which is 541-972-2484, or check out the link down below. Thanks everyone.